Hello, fifth graders. Welcome to your first week 1 overview video. We are going to house these videos for you every week underneath this exclamation point so you know it's important and you want to go there first. And when you click on that, there's going to be a video just like this one you're watching telling you what the most important things or features are of this week's choice board offerings. So the first thing I should alert you about is that every day of the week you indeed have a must do in math, but you're only going to have one of them, and we will put them in a special location here on the chart. We'll also put it in green. Think of green means go. If it's green icon, that means we want you to go to it for sure, for sure. And when you click on that must do icon, it is going to explain to you what the must do is and link you to get there. Notice that it says, there's no school today, so you don't have a Monday must do. And later in the week when we hit like this Thursday one, it says, coming soon, check back on Thursday to find your must do. And then for today, which is the first day of school, yay, when you click on it, you will see, today we're going to give you a really basic must do. And all we want you to do is check out each of these little question mark tabs. So next to each of these little must do's, you'll see a question mark and it has a little video we made for you. And they're very short, and that's your only must do for today. We just want you to watch those so you can kind of see how your week is going to unfold for live lessons and for must do's. Now, this section over here is going to often have valuable tidbits you might need, like this one has an overview of the schedule that we're going to talk to you about today, and it also has a screencast video if you want to watch the weekly lessons outside of your play pause it activities. We will offer you a may-do buffet every week, and it's going to be broken down into 3 sections. Review section, if you're stuck and you need some help, this would be a great section to hit. If you are on level, you understand what we're talking about and you just want practice, you can go to this middle section. And if you are a kid who's ahead of the game, we are always going to offer you lots of good, challenging but fun extension activities. So unlike in the years of old when you had to do a bunch of other stuff before you did the extension, you are free to pick whatever area is the best fit for your needs for that week or that day. And also, these little icons are going to help you understand what the heck is hiding behind these buttons. So, for example, if I see a pencil, I know that's a worksheet that I could either do on my device or print it if you have a printer at home. And when you click on it, it will tell you, the spy and his sneezes use this self-checking riddle sheets for place value to the billions. And once you click on this link, it's going to take you to that worksheet. Blue pencils mean worksheets that are on level, and red pencils mean worksheets that are hard, but kind of in a fun way. Some of you are going to be real excited to see this little icon because that means we've made for you an online game and Kahoot or quizzes or Gimkit. So those are always really popular with students. And then this little die right here, that stands for my favorite activity, family game. So when you click on here,
guys,
and if you click on the video,
whenever I want to show you a family game you can play with your family.
So you'll get directions for how to play a game with people at your house if they are willing to do that with you. And did you notice that in order to maximize this picture, I can click on it to make it bigger. So sometimes when we have an answer key or something hiding from you there, you might see it like that. Another thing I should show you is that sometimes you're going to see little arrows on these tabs, and that means that there's something hiding for you. So in this case, this is a really hard but fun problem-solving thing called Math Olympiad, and we actually hid for you a few hints in case you got stuck. And then we also put the answer key there so that if you are doing something that's really challenging, you can actually find out if you're getting any of them correct. So just be on the lookout for those little arrow buttons right here on tabs because there might be more information hiding from you there. In the bottom left of the image, we've got a link to introduce you to Miss Schroeder, a link to a math library where we'll have lots of good screencasts waiting for you as the year goes on, a link to Zoom in case you want to get to it here instead of from your schedule, and finally a link that will take you back to the 5th grade hub. We're so excited to get started with you. We hope that this makes it easy for you to find your most important math contact. And when in doubt, you should click on this exclamation point. Oh no, I forgot one thing. I have been making star icons for stuff that I think is exceptionally cool, and I forgot that I actually made you guys a brand new Nearpod that you could do as a Maydo, and I made it the star icon to alert you that I think it's one of my favorite offerings of the week, so you might want to hit that one up. Okay, we'll talk to you soon.